Welcome to Spanish Live Classes. Vamos a estudiar el verbo estar. If ser is permanent, estar is all about right now. We use it for two main things: your location, where you are, and your condition or emotions, how you feel. Let's check the conjugation. Yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está. Nosotros estamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Repitamos de nuevo. Estoy, estás, está, estamos, están. Imagina que acabas de aterrizar para tus vacaciones y quieres enviarle un video a tu familia desde el aeropuerto en Bogotá. How would you start the video and tell them I am in Colombia? Tienes 3 segundos. Yo estoy en Colombia. We use estar for your location. No matter how long your vacation is, it is where you are physically located right now. Now, you want to express how you feel traveling. How do you say, I am very happy? Yo estoy muy feliz. We use estar for emotions and conditions. You are happy right now because your adventure in Latin America just started. Remember how you feel and where you are. Always use the verb estar. Excelente trabajo hoy. You just took another solid step toward fluency. Mastering Spanish is all about practice and real conversation. If you are ready to stop translating in your head and start speaking with confidence, join our classes. Book a personalized session with our certified native teachers today. The link is right below in the description.